If you are OG, rather OD, but the goodie, you all know that I love to get my nails done, especially DIY. I love to get my nails done, but my job prevents me from, wearing acrylics or nail polish, whatever, you know. So I try to do that when I have longer day offs or when I am on holidays. But on this on this day, I had like a longer day of work, so I was like, okay, it's time to get my nails done. And I remember I have this nail polish I got from the TikTok shop. I showed you guys some time ago, and I also shared the link on here just in case you're interested. You can go on to my showcase, it's still linked up there, okay? So I started off by, trying to file my nails. I had to leave my nails to grow out a bit so so it can look pretty with the nail polish on. You get the gist, right? So I just try to mimic what I see the professionals, the nail tech do when I go to them. Again, that's how I'm trying to do. Just ignore however I'm talking right now, okay? So I did file my nails and I used the cuticle pin rather um tool to push my cuticle. Now I'm trying to clean my cuticle. This is my favorite part when I go to the nail technicians, when they are cleaning off and taking off those dead skin from my cuticles. I love that part. I feel like it is so satisfying. Yeah, that's the word. Anyway, so once I was done with that, I went ahead with the nail what's it called again? Acetone. Yeah, that's what I can remember right now. I went ahead with acetone and cleaned off the powdery whatever on the nails, and then I started using the nail polish on it. At first I wasn't sure of what color to go for, even though I knew I was going to um do a very very neutral color, like very subtle color. And then I decided, rather I settled on this, which I think came out really really nice. By the time I'm done, you guys are going to see how pretty this turned out, okay? So what I did was to do the thumb first and then put it into the um what's the lights, what's it called again, to cure it so it dries down before I go ahead and do the rest. What's this thing called again? I know every time I'm like, what's it called? What's it called? I beg, go, I beg. You're gonna free me. So this is how far I've come. I see doing the other hand and the right hand is a struggle. But I mean I pulled it off because I would say I have the experience. But yeah, so this is what it looks like at this point. I am almost done. And yeah, this is it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Yeah, so this is basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.